This app's appears show you
How to change your wallpaper on iPhone. Follow this easy and step-by-step tutorial to learn how to change wallpaper on iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings and here scroll down a little bit. Here you will get wallpaper, just tap on that. And here tap on add new wallpaper. Or to get this interface, you have to open your iPhone lock screen by swiping to the bottom from the top left corner and then tap and hold on a blank space, and then you have to tap on this plus icon to create a new wallpaper. Okay, now you will directly jump into wallpaper gallery. Here you can scroll down and here you will get a bunch of wallpapers. You can easily set any wallpaper from this list. For example, let's add this wallpaper. Just select the wallpaper and tap on add and tap on set as wallpaper pair and go back to your iPhone home screen, and here we can see my wallpaper has been successfully changed. But if you want to make a wallpaper using your photo, then you have to tap on photos, tap on all, and from your photos app you can select a photo to use as wallpaper, and then you can pinch your fingers to zoom in or zoom out the photo. And now if you want to change your wallpaper or home screen alarm text, then select the alarm and you will be customize the alarm font and color. Once done, just tap on add and select any option from here. You can set as wallpaper pair or you can select customize home screen. So this is how we can change our wallpaper on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.